In this video today, I want to show you how to edit or add APNs into your Android Jelly Bean phone. Okay, you have to have these APNs, which is short for access point name, in your phone if you're going to have data access. So I want to show you how to get to those, and I want to show you how to edit them or how to add them. Okay, so if you'll go to your settings, and this is on my Samsung Captivate today. And I just want to show you that I am on Android Jelly Bean. You can see there 4.2.2. So when you first get into your settings, when you first click it, up at the top you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, and this More button. When you click on More, it'll bring up a thing down here that says Mobile Networks, and then Access Point Names, or APNs. Okay, now I don't use AT&T directly. I use prepaid service Net 10, and through Net 10 I'm able to access the AT&T network, but I'm doing it at a lot cheaper price. So you can see here in CyanogenMod they build in this AT&T APNs. And so if I click on this, you'll see it gives me a lot of different settings here, where you name it, where you name the APN, your proxy, and all that. And also they build in this Straight Talk, which for me Straight Talk is pretty close, but I need to change it just a little bit for my Net 10 service to work. So all I'm going to do is just edit this Straight Talk. The name really doesn't matter. I could go in there and name that Net 10. That doesn't matter. That really doesn't affect anything. It's just so that whenever I'm back out on that other screen, I can see the difference between them. Okay, what I need to change for Net 10 is I need to change this APN, and I've got to change it to WAP.TrackPhone. Okay, that's what that needs to be. And then my MMS proxy just needs to change this end one to a 32, 66.209.11.32. Okay, so you can see up here right now, all it's showing is bars. It's not showing any kind of data indicator. It's not showing 3G or H+ or anything like that. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Go down to the bottom. Make sure you push the menu, and I want to push save. I want to save that. Okay, we'll click back on that. Came up for a second. There we go. You can see now how the H shows up. So now I've got data through my cellular network. And I had to make sure that this APN was set up correctly. Without it set up correctly, I just won't get data. And so if you're having problems with getting data, this is probably the first thing you need to check, is make sure that you've got the correct APN settings. And I can't list all the different APN settings because there's going to be all kinds of different ones. There's one for Net 10, there's one for Straight Talk, there's one for Red Pocket, all of those. Or if you're on AT&T proper, then you're going to have a lot of different options there. So the point is I've showed you how to get here to your APNs. I've showed you how I edited that. I just went in here and changed it a little bit and saved it. That worked. You can see how it got me data. If you need to add one where it's just completely different, you just push that plus button up there. And depending on what service you've got, you can Google it. Say Google Red Pocket APN. And it'll tell you exactly how you need to fill all of these out. It'll tell you everything that needs to be changed in there. And so you can add that, and once you get it done, just make sure you push save, and name field can't be empty, whatever. So that's how you would add one. So if you're not having problems with data, check to make sure that you've got the right APN. Make sure that all the settings are just right in there. Hopefully this will help. Thanks for watching today.